The sakura season is here. We've made a video to show you how to make Chirashidon. Chirashi means scatter, don means rice bowl with food on top. It's a colorful sushi dish with a variety of ingredients sprinkled on top. You'll need tuna, Thai, salmon, tamagoyaki, salmon roe, fish floss, sesame seed, avocado, wasabi greens, colonna flower, mini cabbage, pickled ginger, mini red radish, cucumber. A very colorful palette and a great start to the spring. We'll start preparing the egg. Heat up the frying pan. Pour some oil and then the egg. Tip and rotate the pan to make sure that egg fills in any empty spaces. Once cooked, remove from the pan. Let it cool down. Once it's cooled down, slice the omelette into thin strips. Moving on to the vegetables, cut the avocado in half. Cut it in half again, peel the skin, and slice it. Then chop into small blocks. Peel the skin of the cucumber. Slice into strips, and cut it into even blocks. Cut the colonna flower's root off. Pick the leaves off the wasabi greens. The mini radish is really cute. You can slice from the top like this. Cut the mini cabbage into quarters, then dice into small blocks. Move into the fish. Make sure the raw fish is from the trusted resource. Cut the tuna into small blocks. Thai is a white fish. It's called a sakura dai during the sakura season. Not only does salmon have a rich buttery flavor, but it also contains high omega-3 fatty acids. Tamagoyaki is Japanese omelette, usually eaten at breakfast or as a side dish in a bento. Boil the vegetables. Now the preparation is complete. Let's put it all together. All is ready. Add a cup of tea and a sakura-themed dessert. A beautiful and a delicious meal to enjoy the sakura season. I hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned.